The recent brutal attacks on some of the nation's children has prompted the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, to make a statement in Parliament condemning the acts and urging Jamaicans to do the same. He also described as shameful violence meted out against vulnerable groups in society, such as the elderly and persons with disabilities. TVJ's Janella Pursues was in the House and filed this report.
Since the start of the year, fewer children have been murdered when compared with the same period last year. The National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, says the murders are down by 29%.
Mr. Speaker, the forever silent voice of 30 of our children that has taken from us since January, like 14-year-old Tanya Francis, 14-year-old Raven Wilson, saddens and shames us as a nation. The slaughter of Dan Smith and her 16-year-old daughter, Jeshnell Gordon, as well as the slaying of 25-year-old Kim Campbell, allegedly by persons they knew, will indicate a level of callousness in the souls of our citizens. This must change.
But what's disturbing is the manner in which they're killed. There's a view that the perpetrators are becoming more callous. In response, the government announced plans to improve police intelligence.
The Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Branch, the Criminal Investigative Branch, with the support of major organized crime and anti-corruption agencies, will bring increased focus to investigating these incidents, to identify and apprehend individuals associated with these acts. These branches will work with the Center for Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, that will be strengthened to adequately investigate crimes against these particularly vulnerable groups.
Dr. Chang further revealed that a reward scheme has been established for persons with information which may lead to the arrest of criminals. Another government response is to improve and expand social intervention initiatives. To this end, a value-based program designed to effect behavior change among the youth and an anti-violence campaign will be launched.
I have in the past called the brutal acts of violence against women and children shameful and un-Jamaican. I do so again today. I call us as Jamaicans to do better as a people and as a nation. These violence acts must never become a part of the normal. Murder, rape, and abuse of our young girls and boys must be condemned in every family, in every community, in every parish, even as I stand here and condemn it today.
While welcoming the intervention, the opposition challenged the minister to go further.
One of the things that we need to do as a society is to make a study of what are the major contributing factors behind the committing of these criminal actions against our women and our children and our elderly.
Janella Pursues, TVJ News.